Ass Ketchup is choosing a word.
So this is Pokemon?
Oh. Hey, let's go.
Easy. Oh wait, fuck. What is it called?
I mean, you got the right word.
You gotta replace one of the letters.
Oh.
That's all you need.
God damn it. Ori. Oh.
Wait, I have a question. Why do they have smiley faces when they have beaks?
Don't worry about it. It's like my signature.
Fuck my
I
balls.
forgot one
Okay.
here.
I knew it. It was do duo, and I said do duo.
The duo.
What is this?
She had a horn.
What is that? What the fuck is that? Oh, Nido Queen.
Nice way to say it out when there's two people who haven't got it yet, idiot.
It's okay. You just gave me more points because I type faster.
Oh.
How do you spell both sides?
No, today.
Oh.
Come on, Ray.
It's a fucking cat.
God.
This is a little weird.
That was so bad.
Colin's
There's no
about to
ears. There's no fucking ears.
Don't worry about it.
It looks like a fish, dude.
I did the evolution.
Look at these faces. Stop. Stop.
I don't understand.
Why is he his balls?
Hey, Adam, why are you such a slow?
Oh. That was the other one.
Why'd you write cloister, dude? What the?
Cloister. That's definitely a cloister.
Aha!
What?
Idiot.
How do you get it? It's just a blue
one.
circle.
Oh.
What the hell? Oh. I was thinking of a different Pokemon.
Kinda.
Looks like a grape. Is Oddish a grape? I don't even know.
Colin.
Oh, the classic.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Yo, it's got two, man.
Hermaphrodite.
What are you looking at? Adam.
Or are they bald? They might be
Venonat.
What's
Venonat.
spelling it wrong every single time?
Venomat.
It's Venonat.
Nah.
Venomate.
Oh my god, I knew it, I just didn't know how to spell it. Alright guys, you ready? You ready?
What?
Oh my,
How?
stop it, stop it. That's all you get.
I see.
Good job, Colin.
How?
It's representative of what it is.
Wait, what is that
boy.
one called?
Here we go.
Stop, no. What was it?
He got
Oh.
the
10 seconds.
he got the evolution.
You just gotta look it up, Ray. You gotta look it up. You're not gonna get it.
What was your name supposed to be, to see?
Poland got gangbanged.
Oh fuck.
No, you guys aren't gonna get this first time.
No. Huh?
Hey, I like it. That big
Oh.
pee-pee. I see. Hardened.
Cascoon. Hakuna Matata.
No, I got it! Oh!
Too slow. I'm gonna make sure that's them.
Yes, boy. Go, boy, go. Who
Monkey.
wants a piece of the champ? Who wants a piece of
Hey,
the
dude.
champ?
I'm thinking it looks like a monkey to me.
Dude, you chose the wrong one.
Chose the wrong color, but what can I do? I can't just change it now.
I think you chose the wrong Pokemon.
What? Wait,
What?
that's...
Fancy? Wait,
Oh, I
what?
tried to make. I chose Chansey. It's Ditto.
Oh my god. What the fuck, man?
Wait, I chose Chansey and he gave me Ditto. What the? F
I guess Ditto because I thought that's what you were drawing, and I saw you drawing.
I was trying to make a Chansey.
Oh, it's not that.
What is it?
The f is that?
Raven?
You guys
What
slipped
is
on that.
I don't know. Give him some time. Give him some time. He's
Come
working
on,
on it.
guys. You guys really can't get this?
That
Pidgeotto?
fucking bird.
Dude, it's not fucking
Computer.
Spanish. This is not Spanish.
Yeah, it ends with Adam. It's not a Spanish bird.
Oh, f it, dude. I kept thinking it was an A.
Pidgeotto.
Oh.
Pidgeotto.
It looks like it's on fucking acid, dude.
He was so focused on drawing the smiley face. Fuck off.
I got it. I got it.
Oh,
Wait, what?
Oh, this is
God,
a
you didn't think about this option, did you?
Wait, what?
He didn't think he didn't see it coming.
Oh, man.
How you spell it?
Got it. There's not one, but two. And they go. My chop. My dick.
Wait, what? What is this?
He didn't try
Come
to
on,
stop.
bro.
Shit.
Come on, bro.
Got little nubs. Just got something going back here too.
Abracadabra?
Oh, fucking.
god damn it.
he's got a schlong there.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh.
He's f***ing him. He's f***ing him. He's f***ing him.
Wait, what?
What is going on here?
There's a boy and a girl. They're fucking big brain,
Oh.
big brain.
Okay, that makes sense.
I was waiting for this one to show up too.
Which one?
I'm not gonna give it to that.
No! You barely got the drawing.
Charizard.
Oh.
Wait, what? No.
I mean, I kind of get what he's coming for.
What is that?
It's like red and yellow.
It looks like a
Oh, is it?
basketball backboard.
Yeah, in my opinion.
I give a. Oh. Cobra? What's its
Cobra.
You typed it backwards, bro.
Oh, that banana is so rotten. What?
Nice.
I mistyped it. Me, man. I'm typing with my left hand. 'Cause my right hand is covered in banana.
Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna let it pick for me and then I'm gonna wash my hands.
This is fucking.
Dude, it's the real guessing.
Take them
What? I got the worst one.
This is a thumbs up from me.
Huh? Wait.
It's like a freeze.
Uwu?
I'm not seeing it.
I'm not seeing it either.
Cap.
Oh, it's this guy.
What?
Wait, what?
Who is that?
Wait, no, just where was he born?
What?
Where
Who
was
the
he
fuck
born?
is that? What?
I can't
Fuck!
spell.
Well, come on, guys.
Cupboard.
Covered. Oh.
Harry Potter wasn't born in a cupboard.
Oh, he wasn't?
He was born in a closet. A
Yeah.
closet.
My bad.
You guys, you're an idiot.
He wasn't born in the closet either. He just lived in a closet.
No, he was born in
It's like
something.
Harry Potter. Like what?
We got this guy over here. He's just living his life. But then we have another guy right here. What's this thing he's got in his hand? It's a.
It's a line.
It's a sharp thing, and all of a sudden, drip, 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 drip.
4 letters. What?
Adamson's shank. You guys are gonna be so tight. Yeah.
I got it.
Stop.
Oh, you're close. Oh,
Right.
you're so close.
Right.
You're so close.
No. Where's it
Stop, you're
going?
so close.
It's because the chat's telling him that he's close, and he's just.
What is the action you do when you're cutting something?
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it.
The last second.
Woman.
Oh, don't do it. Oh.